Welcome to GV Tutor channel. Today I am going to teach the concept CBSE Class 9 Exercise 12.2 third question. First we have to read the questions. The third question is Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the given figure. Find the total area of the paper used. Actually, see the diagram carefully. In that, they have marked the diagram shapes also. First part, second part, third part, fourth part, and then fifth part. The three parts are in the shape of triangle. The one part in the shape of rectangle, and third part in the shape of trapezium. So, according to the given diagram, we need to find that area of that paper used for making aeroplane. That is the question here, and let me explain the concept first. So according to the given question, I have drawn the diagram here. So I will explain how to find that area of these overall shapes. First, we need to find that area separately. The first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part respectively. The first part in the shape of triangle. First, in that we need to write it all the measurement years. And in the second part is in the shape of rectangle. You know that one in a rectangle that opposite sides values are equal. So here 1 centimeter means here also 1 centimeter, and these both shapes are similar. That means fourth and fifth shapes are similar. So here the base is 1.5. So here also the base value is 1.5, and height, because it will make right angle here, and height value is 6 centimeter, and here also that 6 centimeter. And fourth shape, they have given that four sides of the trapezium, but we don't know the height here, so we need to find the height of the trapezium first. First, I will explain the concept how to find that area of respectively. The first shape is that area of the first part, in the shape of triangle, and in that I need to represent the sides values. Here they have given the three side values. I am going to consider as A, B, C. The first A side value is 5 centimeter, and B value is equal to 5 centimeter, and then C value is equal to 1 centimeter. And these are first part measurements values, and we know the sides values here, so we need to find that area by using that Heron's formula. The formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And in that, how to find the S value means, you know that it is called as the half of the perimeter. So A plus B plus C divided by 2, so which is equal to, so I am going to write the respect value 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 11 by 2, and this is the value of S. So next condition, I know that all the values here I am going to replace in that formula. So the square root of that S value is 11 by 2 into 11 by 2 minus 5, and into 11 by 2 minus B, and then 11 by 2 minus C value is 1 centimeter. And next one, I need to subtract these values. So if I am going to subtract this value, 11 by 2 will come into 1, 5 2s are 10, because it is a mixed fraction converted into fraction. 5 2s are 10, and 11 minus 10 value is 1 by 2 into, here also you are going to write the same values because B value is 5. So 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10 value is 1, so 1 by 2, and into, if I am going to subtract, what value will come means 1 2s are 2, and 11 minus 2 value is 9 by 2 will come, and this is all the required fraction values here. And I am going to simplify the values here. And next condition, I need to multiply this all the numerator values and then denominator value first. And 11 into 1 value is 11, and again 11 into 9 value is 99, or else I am going to write 9 into 11 itself, divided by 2 into 2 value is 4, and 2 into 2 value is 4, so I am going to write it as 4 into 4, because it is very easy to split into, that means find the square root values. And next one is that 3, it can be written as 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 4, and one more values are left over here, 11. And next one, the 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, so it is a pair of numbers, so I am going to pick that one number. So 3 by 4 will come, and instead of the square root, the 11 value will come. So first we need to write that approximate value of 11 years. So in that approximate value of 11 is 3.317. So I am going to multiply, I will get that decimal values here. So first conditions, so in this concept 3 by 4 into root 11, so which is equal to 3 by 4 into root 11 value is 3.317. So if I am going to multiple and cancel the values, I will get the value is 2.488 centimeters square. And if I am going to write that shorter decimal value, simplest form means, if it is, see the last decimal, if it is more than 5, you have to add one value in the before decimal, that means it's converted into 9. Again it is more than 5, so you have to add one more number in the before decimal values. So the answer is 2.5 centimeter square, and it is that approximate value. It is called as that approximate values, and this is the solution for that first part. So the first part solution area is a 2.5 centimeter square. Respectively, I am going to find that area of the second part here. So that area of that second part, which is equal to, it is in the shape of rectangle. So the formula to find that area of rectangle is L into B, and you know that length value is, because they have given the length value is 6.5. So 6.5 centimeter into the breadth value is 1 centimeter. So you can multiply any number by 1, you will get the same answer. So 6.5 centimeter square is that solution of the second part. Similarly, I am going to find the solution of the third part, and that area of the third part, and it is in the shape of trapezium. So the formula is half into a plus b into height. A plus b is nothing but parallel lines. So that first line value is 1 centimeter, so that should be considered as A, and second base value, that is considered as that B values in that trapezium part. So for your explanation, I have drawn the diagram also. So see the condition first. So this is the given values 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, and here the side value is also 1 centimeter, and the non-parallel value is also 1 centimeter. But we need to find the height values here. How to find the height value means is nothing but, and it is the important concept also. See the condition clearly first. So first I have to construct that one parallel line to that 1 centimeter. So if I am going to construct here also that 1 centimeter will come. So now it will make that one parallelogram shape. You know the properties of your parallelogram, that means the properties of the parallelogram, the opposite sides values are equal. So here 1 centimeter means, and here also that 1 centimeter. So from the total 2 centimeter, if I am going to subtract 1 centimeter, the remaining part value is 1 centimeter. Now in this triangle, all sides values are equal, that each side values is equal to 1 centimeter. And if I am going to draw that altitude of the triangle, that same altitude will occur on the trapezium also. So by using this area of triangle, I need to find that altitude of this trapezium and as well as triangle also. So I am going to take this triangle alone. So it is the equilateral triangle. So that area of an equilateral triangle, which is equal to area of a triangle, which is equal to the square root of the root 3 divided by 4 a square is the formula. Here that a will represent the sides values, and you have some doubt here. So how to find the height by using this formula means, if I am going to apply that normal formula and or else the equilateral formula, you will get the same answer. Yes. So I am going to equal that normal formula and as well as that equilateral formula. So the normal formula to find, that means general formula to find that area of triangle is half into base into height, which is equal to root 3 divided by 4 a square. And in that, I know that base value is in this triangle. So what is the base value means 1 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 1, that height value is unknown value, so I am going to write it as same. And next one is root 3 divided by 4. The side of the triangle is 1, so I am going to write it as 1 square. So 1 by 2 into 1 value is 1 by 2 into height, which is equal to root 3 divided by 4, because the value of 1 square is 1. 1 into anything will get the same answers. And we need to find the height values, and it is a fraction, transport in right hand side, it's converted into reciprocal. So height is equal to root 3 divided by 4 into 2 by 1. So if I am going to write the simplest form, 1 and then 2 times, so that the height of the trapezium, which is equal to, so that the height of the trapezium, which is equal to root 3 divided by 2 centimeter, and this is the height of the equilateral triangle and as well as trapezium also. So now we know that height of the trapezium. Next I am going to apply the formula. So what formula means, that half into a plus b into height, I will get the required area. Yes. And I am going to apply the area of the third part formula. So the area of the third part, which is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b into height. And next condition, So 1 by 2 into A value is 1 centimeter. So 1 plus that B value means that another parallel line value is length of parallel line is 2 into that height value is root 3 divided by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 value is 3 into root 3 divided by 2. So which is equal to 3 into root 3 value is 3 root 3 divided by 4 will come, because 2 into 2 values is equal to 4. So I know that approximate value of root 3 is root 3, which is equal to 1.732. So I am going to replace here. So 3 into 1.732 divided by 4. If I am going to multiple and divide that values, I will get the answer is 1.4 centimeter square, and this is the approximate area of that fourth part values. Similarly, I am going to find that area of the fifth part and as well as sixth part. And before that, we are going to see the condition here that fourth part and fifth part values are similar. So you have to find that one part area multiple with the 2, you will get the area of that fourth part and as well as fifth part. So for your reference, I have drawn the diagram also. See the diagram, and this is the fourth part and as well as fifth part, because the both are similar. So it is in the shape of right angle triangle. So the base value is 1.5 and then the height value is 6 centimeter. So I'm going to find that area directly by using the general formula of area of triangle. So half into base into height, which is equal to half into the base value is 1.5 into height value is 6 centimeter. And I am going to write the simplest form. So I will get the answer is 1.5 into 3, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter square is the area of the fourth part. Similarly, that area of the fifth part, because the both also similar diagrams, so the area of the fifth part, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So now we know that all the parts area, you can add that all the parts area, you will get that area of this plane. That means for make a paper using by making a plane. That's it. So I'm going to write that all the parts area separately, and I'm going to add together. I will get the answer yes. The area of the first part is 2.5 centimeter square, and that area of the second part is 1.4. Sorry, the area of the second part is 6.5 centimeter square, and that area of the third part is 1.4 centimeter square, and area of the fourth part and fifth part values are similar. So 4.5 centimeter square and then 4.5 centimeter square. So I'm going to add that all the values. I will get that area of that aeroplane here. So that area of the total part, which is equal to that area of total parts, which is equal to 2.5 centimeter square plus 6.5 centimeter square plus 1.4 centimeter square plus 4.5 centimeter square plus 4.5 centimeter square. If I am going to add that all the values, I will get the answer is 19.4 centimeter square, and this is the approximate value of this question for making an aeroplane, and that is the answers. Thank you. I hope you are clear about this concept. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell button for updates.